In this video I will show you how to convert PDF file to Excel document easily in 2023. See, I convert this PDF file to Excel document. Go to your browser, type PDF to Excel, then go to www.ilovepdf.com. Upload your PDF file. Then click Convert to Excel. It takes few minutes to convert to Excel. See, the PDF file converted successfully. See the Excel file working well. That's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.